Hello guys, welcome back. Which question are we going to do? ICAI case scenario question number 9. This question I will read very fast, or if you want, we can try the ulta also. Okay, let's try ulta. I think question 8 we have discussed full detail, so this we will try ulta. Ulta means we will start with the question first, then go back to the para. Start. Whether RST Limited should adhere to the opinion formulated by LM Co and ABC or explore other alternative. See, even without reading the question, whenever there is more than one auditor, which is the essay which comes to the mind? Essay. Very good. Essay 299. So in essay 299, they are specifically saying whenever there is an agreement, you will issue one report. Whenever there is a disagreement, you will not be bound by majority. You have to issue. You have to issue separate report with which para? With other matter para. So, can we read the option? You saw more than one auditor. RST and Co will have to go with the opinion framed by majority. Nah. RST has the discretion to issue distinct report independently. In such scenario, OMP you have to add. RST has the option to incorporate distinct para in the report. RST has to align with majority. And is it a separate report or separate para? It is separate report. In this case, example, 3 auditors are there. One will give a separate report, 2 others jointly will give a separate report. It's not separate para. So answer is, that's right, boy, B. Next one. In the above scenario, what would be the next course of action on the part of auditors of JNP Limited when auditors conclude reasons for management refusal to allow the confirmation to the debtors is unreasonable and auditors unable to obtain relevant and reliable evidence from alternative procedure? Which essay will come to the mind? And as per essay 505, towards the last part, in our notes, you see audit procedure. We have said what? Whenever there is a management is not allowing you, you will check its valid and reasonable cause. If it is valid cause, you will go for alternative procedure. Here, they are not able to perform alternative procedure. They are not able to obtain evidence. What will you do? Can you read? Communicate with ECWG, determine the implication, and 705. Include reasons for refusal, perform alternative, key audit matter. Should have included the reason for refusal, SA 580 written representation. Auditor should include the reason for refusal and then add UMP. Answer is, if you are unable to obtain evidence, which opinion you will give? Either you will give qualified or disclaimer. So which essay? 705. It's not 701, it's not 706, it's not 580. So answer is clearly A. A for apple. Can we go to 3? Makla support da. Auditor of RJ Private Limited shall mention the fact in the financial statements of prior period were audited by another auditor. Which para? This is very easy question. You want to say that another auditor. Is it EOMP, OMP, CAM, going concern? EOMP is to emphasize a matter in FS. OMP is other than FS. Key audit matter is something important to the auditor. Going concern power is only when there is an uncertainty. So answer is OMP. Other matter para as per 706. Can we go to 4? In the above case, what should be the course of action on the part of the HJ & Co. when they found material misstatement has not been properly accounted or presented or disclosed in the financial statements of the current year? Even without reading the options, you can say which opinion you will give. Material misstatement is there. They have not accounted or presented or disclosed in FS. Which opinion you will give? Either qualified or adverse. So answer is should not pay attention. And I say material misstatement in opening balance will affect current year. So once it is affecting current year, you will go for qualified or adverse. In SF item, they are saying whenever there is a material misstatement in opening balance, you have to analyze its impact in current year and modify as per 705. But this question is a piece of cake, very easy. Last one. In the context of above mentioned scenario, CARO applied to RJ Private Limited, an associate of JMP. Can we go to the scenario at least once, please? That's the last question. Which company? I forgot the name. What is the company's name? RJ. And can you go in search of RJ? RJ. Actually, this is a name they written. This is the private company. Is CARO applicable or not applicable? Can you read and say? Private company. That name, I think it's a printing mistake. It's a private company. Private company. CARO, how many points you have to see? The private company. CARO, how many points you have to see? Private company should not be a subsidiary or holding of another public company. Mahalakshmi, 4 points. Paid up capital and reserve shall not exceed. Paid up capital and reserve shall not exceed. How much? How much limit? 1 crore. Outstanding borrowing should not exceed 1 crore. And turnover shall not exceed 10 crore. So can you read and say, is CARO applicable or not applicable? I'm just asking applicable or not applicable. Answer is, all of you are saying in one voice, yes. I will say answer is no. Surprise. Choose you. Ask me. Ask me why. Very good. Eda, small company. Can you say what is small company as per section 285 of Companies Act? Small company means it's a private company having paid up capital less than 4 crore and turnover less than 40 crore. Here paid up capital is less than 4. It's a private company. Turnover also below 40. So, is it a small company or not? I just want an answer, yes or no for that question. Is it a small company or no? Yes or no? Yes, it is small company. Once it is small, CARO is already. CARO is already exempt. CARO applicability as per para number. CARO applicability as per para number 1. How many company doesn't apply? 5. Banking company, insurance company, section 8 company, small company and OPC, then private company. Either of these 5, it's exempt only. So once it comes in the small company bracket, why do you want to check the private company conditions? It's already a small, so it is already exempt. Do you understand? So what will be the answer here? CARO applies to the company since turnover. CARO applies. CARO doesn't apply since 4 crore 40. CARO. So answer is C. But okay, here it's an MCQ. Now assume it was a descriptive question, at least few of you might have made it wrong. Can you mark and keep? Once it is a small company bracket, Caro is not applicable, even if other conditions of private company are violated. So that's it. So guys, how is the things going? Are we going on good? Okay or no? So guys, that's it. Keep going. Take care. Ta-ta.